Hello everyone. Let's read the remaining part of the story. Making a shower. It was an evening after a heavy rain. Grandfather was picking flowers from the jasmine bush under the sandalwood tree. The leaves of the tree were full of raindrops. I knew I could make rain if I shook the tree, and grandfather and I would get a good shower. I liked bathing the rain, but he might not like it. But it would be great fun. Evening time after a heavy rain. What grandfather was doing? Picking flowers from the jasmine bush. He was collecting jasmine under the sandalwood tree. Leaves of the tree were full of raindrops. Jasmine, fragrant flower. Jasmine meaning gift from God. Sandalwood tree. Sandalwood, widely cultivated Indian tree that yields fragrant timber and oil. Leaves of the tree were full of raindrops. Sandalwood tree. Leaves full of raindrops. I knew I could make rain. He could make rain if I shook the tree. If he shook the tree, he could make rain. Shake, shook, shaken. Shook is the past tense. And grandfather and I would get a good shower. Shaking the tree, they may get a good shower. Light fall, that is shower. I liked bathing the rain. The boy liked bathing the rain, but he might not like it. Grandfather may not like that, bathing the rain. But it would be great fun. That would be an enjoyment for the boy. ചാറ്റൽ മഴ ഉണ്ടാക്കൽ. കനത്ത മഴയ്ക്ക് ശേഷമുള്ള ഒരു സായാഹ്നമായിരുന്നു അത്. മുത്തച്ഛൻ ചന്ദനമരത്തിൻ്റെ ചുവട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് മുല്ലപ്പൂ പറിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. മരത്തിൻ്റെ ഇലകളിൽ മഴത്തുള്ളികൾ നിറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു. മരം കുലുക്കിയാൽ മഴ പെയ്യുമെന്നും മുത്തച്ഛനും എനിക്കും നല്ല മഴ ലഭിക്കുമെന്നും എനിക്കറിയാമായിരുന്നു. മഴയിൽ കുളിക്കുന്നത് എനിക്കിഷ്ടമായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷേ മുത്തച്ഛന് അത് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടേക്കില്ല. പക്ഷേ അത് വലിയ രസമായിരിക്കും. So I quietly went near the sandalwood tree and shook it with all my strength. There was a heavy shower and both grandfather and I were soaked. I loved it, but grandfather did not. He turned to me with an angry look. I was sure he would catch me and beat me. So I ran. He ran after me. I ran fast, but he ran faster. He had almost caught me when he stumbled and fell. I ran away to the paddy fields and hid myself there. I heard grandfather shout that he would teach me a lesson when I came back home. I silently, noiselessly went near the sandalwood tree. He is going to shake the tree. And shook it with all my strength. Sandalwood tree. He shook the sandalwood tree. There was a heavy shower. Heavy shower they got, and both grandfather and I were soaked. They were extremely wet. What grandfather was doing? He was collecting jasmine under the sandalwood tree. Shaking, grandfather and I were soaked. I loved it, but grandfather did not. Grandfather did not like that. He turned to me with an angry look. Grandfather became angry. That was the reaction. I was sure he would catch me and beat me. He was sure grandfather would catch me. He will get beat. So I ran. He ran after me. I ran fast, but he ran faster. Running, both of them were running. He had almost caught me. Almost, nearly caught me. Nearly caught me when he stumbled and fell. Grandfather stumbled. Grandfather lost his balance and he fell down. He was almost, nearly, he had almost caught me. At that time, he fell down. He lost balance and he fell down. I ran away to the paddy fields, the field where rice is grown, paddy fields, and hid myself there. Boy ran to the paddy fields and he hid himself there. Hiding. Hidden. Hid myself there. I heard grandfather shout. Grandfather was shouting. He fell down. He stumbled and fell. I heard grandfather shout that he would teach me a lesson. He would teach me a lesson when I came back home. Coming back home, grandfather will catch him and beat him. അങ്ങനെ ഞാൻ ഒന്നും മിണ്ടാതെ ചന്ദനമരത്തിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് ചെന്ന് സർവ്വശക്തിയും എടുത്ത് അതിനെ കുലുക്കി. കനത്ത ചാറ്റൽ മഴയിൽ ഞാനും മുത്തച്ഛനും നനഞ്ഞ് കുതിർന്നിരുന്നു. എനിക്കത് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു. പക്ഷേ മുത്തച്ഛന് അത് ഇഷ്ടമായില്ല. അദ്ദേഹം ദേഷ്യത്തോടെ എൻ്റെ നേരെ തിരിഞ്ഞു. മുത്തച്ഛൻ എന്നെ പിടിച്ച് തല്ലുമെന്ന് എനിക്ക് ഉറപ്പായിരുന്നു. അതിനാൽ ഞാൻ ഓടി. അദ്ദേഹം എൻ്റെ പിന്നാലെ ഓടി. ഞാൻ വേഗം ഓടി. പക്ഷെ അദ്ദേഹം കൂടുതൽ വേഗത്തിൽ ഓടി. എന്നെ ഏകദേശം പിടിക്കാറായപ്പോൾ മുത്തച്ഛൻ കാലിടറി വീണു. ഞാൻ നെൽപ്പാടങ്ങളിലേക്ക് ഓടി മറഞ്ഞു. ഞാൻ വീട്ടിൽ വന്നാൽ എന്നെ ഒരു പാഠം പഠിപ്പിക്കുമെന്ന് മുത്തച്ഛൻ നിലവിളിക്കുന്നത് ഞാൻ കേട്ടു. I did not want to go home because I feared grandfather would beat me. I stayed on in the fields. It was getting dark. I was afraid to stay there alone in the darkness. I remembered all the ghost stories I had heard. I stood up, looked around, and then ran towards home. I did not want to go home. He was afraid. He feared grandfather would beat him. So he did not go home. Then where he would go? I stayed on the fields. He continued in the fields. It was getting dark. Darkness, evening time. I was afraid to stay there alone in the darkness. He was afraid. He feared. Afraid to stay there, feeling fear or anxiety. He was afraid to stay there or continue there in the darkness, in the field. I remembered all the ghost stories I had heard. At that time, he was afraid and he remembered all the ghost stories he had heard. I stood up, looked around, and then ran towards home. He became afraid, feared, stood up, looked around, and ran towards home. മുത്തച്ഛൻ എന്നെ തല്ലുമെന്ന് ഭയന്ന് ഞാൻ വീട്ടിൽ പോകാൻ ആഗ്രഹിച്ചില്ല. ഞാൻ വയലിൽ തന്നെ നിന്നു. നേരം ഇരുട്ടിത്തുടങ്ങിയിരുന്നു. ഇരുട്ടിൽ തനിച്ചിരിക്കാൻ എനിക്ക് ഭയമായിരുന്നു. കേട്ട പ്രേതകഥകളെല്ലാം ഓർത്തുപോയി. ഞാൻ എഴുന്നേറ്റു, ചുറ്റും നോക്കി, എന്നിട്ട് വീട്ടിലേക്ക് ഓടി. I was still afraid to face grandfather, so I did not go inside the house. I went to the cowshed and took shelter in the loft. From there I could see grandfather sitting on the veranda saying his prayers. Still afraid to face grandfather. So he did not go inside the house. Then where he is going? He went to the cowshed. Cowshed, a farm building in which cattle are kept. Cowshed. He went to the cowshed and took shelter. Shelter means a place giving temporary protection. Okay, shelter. It's a cowshed and took shelter in the loft. Loft means a space directly under the roof of a house or other building used for accommodation or storage. Okay, loft. He went to the cowshed and took shelter in the loft. He is hiding there. From there, I could see grandfather sitting on the veranda saying his prayers. From that place, from the cowshed in the loft, he could see grandfather on the veranda saying his prayers. അപ്പോഴും മുത്തച്ഛനെ അഭിമുഖീകരിക്കാൻ എനിക്ക് ഭയമായിരുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ വീടിനുള്ളിലേക്ക് പോയില്ല. ഞാൻ പശുത്തൊഴുത്തിൽ പോയി തട്ടിൻപുറത്ത് അഭയം പ്രാപിച്ചു. അവിടെ നിന്ന് നോക്കിയാൽ മുത്തച്ഛൻ വരാന്തയിൽ പ്രാർത്ഥന ചൊല്ലുന്നത് കാണാമായിരുന്നു. Grandmother was waiting for me. When I did not turn up, she looked for me everywhere in the house. Then she came out and called aloud for me, thinking that I was somewhere in the garden. So did not get any answer. Then she went to grandfather and asked him where I was. You look for him in the house, grandfather said. He is hiding somewhere. He is not in the house, grandmother said. I looked for him everywhere. Grandmother was waiting for me. It is night time, evening over. Grandmother was waiting for him. When I did not turn up means be found or reappear. When he did not come, when he did not reappear. She looked for me. Grandmother looked for me everywhere in the house. Everywhere she looked, but I was hiding in the cowshed. Then she came out and called aloud for me, thinking that I was somewhere in the garden. Grandmother called him. She thought that he was somewhere in the garden. She did not get any answer. Then she went to grandfather and asked him where I was. She asked grandfather where he was. You look for him in the house, grandfather said. Look for him, he may be hiding somewhere. Grandfather said that he is hiding somewhere. Hiding, put or keep out of sight. He is not in the house, grandmother said. I looked for him everywhere, but I did not get any answer. മുത്തശ്ശി എന്നെ കാത്തിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഞാൻ വരാഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ അവർ എന്നെ വീട്ടിൽ എല്ലായിടത്തും തിരഞ്ഞു. എന്നിട്ട് ഞാൻ തോട്ടത്തിൽ എവിടെയോ ആണെന്ന് കരുതി അവർ പുറത്തിറങ്ങി ഉറക്കെ വിളിച്ചു. അവർക്ക് മറുപടി ഒന്നും കിട്ടിയില്ല. മുത്തച്ഛൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് ചെന്ന് ഞാൻ എവിടെയാണെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു. നീ അവനെ വീട്ടിൽ അന്വേഷിക്കൂ, മുത്തച്ഛൻ പറഞ്ഞു. അവൻ എവിടെയോ ഒളിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നു. അവൻ വീട്ടിലില്ല, മുത്തശ്ശി പറഞ്ഞു. ഞാൻ അവനെ എല്ലായിടത്തും തിരഞ്ഞു. Let's look at the questions. What was the reaction of grandfather when he was soaked in the shower? Grandfather was very angry. Why did Raja select the loft in the cowshed as his hiding place? He was afraid to stay alone in the field. Grandmother was extremely worried when she knew that Raja was missing. Pick out the sentences from the passage which convey this idea. When I did not turn up, she looked for me everywhere in the house. Then she came out and called aloud for me, thinking that I was somewhere in the garden.